welcome to part 1 of our Oslo Walking Tour. Today, we're exploring two of the city's most iconic landmarks, the Oslo Opera House and the MUNCH Museum. Filmed on a bright sunny afternoon with the Insta360 GO Ultra, this journey brings you right into the heart of the city's waterfront. Get ready for stunning architecture, immersive views, and the vibrant atmosphere of modern Oslo. Let's begin our walk. The Oslo Opera House rises from the water like a gleaming glacier, creating a calm, open space where the city meets the fjord. People walk across its sloping roof, feeling the smooth white marble warming gently under the afternoon sun. The air carries the sound of footsteps blending with soft waves below. Inside this landmark, the Norwegian National Opera and Ballet perform yet. It is the outside that captures every visitor. The building opened in 2008, becoming a symbol of modern Norwegian design. Glass, stone, and light meet in simple harmony, inviting everyone to explore. From the rooftop, the view stretches across the harbor, catching boats' reflections and shimmering blue water. The Opera House feels alive, welcoming travelers with beauty, openness, and a sense of quiet wonder. The MUNCH Museum stands tall beside the Oslo fjord, its angled shape leaning forward as if watching the city. Inside rests the legacy of Edvard Munch, whose art shaped Norwegian culture for generations. Opened in 2021, this modern tower offers wide spaces, gentle light, and a deep connection to creativity. Its location in Bojika places it among new architecture, water paths, and open public areas where people gather. Riding the elevator to the 29th floor brings a slow reveal of Oslo unfolding beneath you. At the top, the sun bar glows with afternoon warmth, and the windows wrap around the skyline. Mountains, islands, and the calm harbor stretch in every direction, forming a peaceful canvas of colors. The view invites visitors to breathe, relax, and take in the beauty of the city from above. Thanks for joining me on today's Oslo adventure. If you enjoyed the walk, remember to like, share, and support ShutterbuginNorway for more journeys coming soon. A big shout out to the game changer of this video, the Insta360 GO Ultra. I had it attached with my chest checker during the walk, and its cool features, clear image quality, steady stabilization, and smart AI tools made every moment look amazing. Stay tuned for the next adventure.